Hi guys, I received a comment on my profile from Johnny Flores. It says, "Hi Duncan, I was wondering if you know of any software that is capable of deleting duplicate music files on my 60GB iPod video. PS, I don't use the iTunes library, instead I upload straight to the iPod. Thanks in advance." Okay, so you've got some files that are the same size, the same name, in various folders that you want to get rid of ones that you don't want. Now, what I'm going to show you is a program that can apply not just to music files, but basically any files on your computer, any duplicate files you have. If you want to find them and then have a look through and then delete which ones you don't need, then this is the application for you. It's called Double Killer. It's free, and I'll just be basically showing you. Now, I've only got two files to show you. Basically, I've got my Sony Ericsson K750i plugged in, and I've got a song called Bass Hunter Now You're Gone MP3, which is in the main directory, and then in the MP3 directory I've got the same one. So I've just put it as one duplicate, and I'm going to see if the program can find it. So I'm going to start Double Killer. There's no install for this, you can just run it straight and it will open just as a program. So the first thing you'll notice is that you can't really do much because everything's greyed out and it says run. Now the first thing you want to do is go to the options, and you'll notice it says assume files to be the same if. You've got names are identical, sizes are identical, dates are identical, and CRC32 checksums are identical. Now, I'm going to untick CRC32 checksums because this can be quite slow, because it's generating, like you may have seen in previous videos where I've explained things like MD5s and things like that, it's generating codes for each of the files, and each file has its own unique code. And if it's duplicated, it will have the same code, so this basically checks to see if they're identical. So that's this part of it. It now says folders, so I'm going to say plus, and I'm going to navigate to my my K750i, and then I'm just going to leave it there. And it says limit scans to files matching these masks. So what do you want it to be? Do you want it just to be pictures, whatever? So I'm just going to type in star.mp3. So it'll be anything.mp3, so it finds my duplicate file, my duplicate music file. So a star means anything, and then the .mp3 is the extension of your file. It says exclude files matching these masks, so they're important files, so they're just going to say don't look for them, so you don't end up deleting the wrong ones. It says leave out the following files, so you can, if it's system, if it's hidden or anything, you can have it not compare it there. And less detailed status, slightly faster, and save settings in registry. So we're pretty much ready to go. I've got it set, so I want to know if the sizes are identical, and probably the names are identical as well. And it's searching in the M drive, which is my K750i. It's I haven't pressed the plus button. Yeah, I'll press plus button after you've done the filter that you want. And yep, it's ready to go. MP3, it's going to exclude these, and if it's system, it's going to miss it out. So all you need to do is run it, and you'll notice that straight away it's found exactly what I wanted. It's got now it says check all files, uncheck all files, check selected files, uncheck selected files, check the first dupes and check the last dupes, and then delete and move them, so you can move them elsewhere. You don't have to delete them, but this should be ideal for what you want to do, Johnny Flores. Thanks for your question. And it's just basically this can find any files on your system that have been duplicated, and you can then there isn't something that will do it automatically, so it won't automatically remove duplicate files because it doesn't know which folder you want to keep. So you're going to have to go through it manually, deleting which ones you want. So I mean, you could a quick way of doing it is if they're all located in one directory, and then all located in another one, you can sort it by path, and then I don't know, shift, and then get loads of them, and then press delete checked. But either way, this is the way to do it. It's free. This doesn't require any installation. It can find your duplicate files, and it has various options as you saw. So that's pretty much it. It worked for me. I can now delete one. I'll delete this one, I think. I'll just press this delete check files. Oh, whoops, no checked files. Alright, check selected files, that's the one. So it's ready to delete that, and then delete it. Yes. And now there are some single files left in the result list. Do you want to have these entries removed from the results list? Yes. So we don't want to have it in the results list again when we start searching again. So you just saw me run it, and it works, and it's great. So I'll provide the link in the description. Hope this works for you, Johnny Flores. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.